Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, carnivores and protein lovers, come on, let's talk today. We need to settle this debate once and for all. Beef versus chicken. Now, I don't know who is out there hyping chicken, but let's be serious for a moment. Chicken is deceitful. It looks big and promising when it's raw, but the moment it enters hot oil or fire, it shrinks like my salary after tax. You will fry one whole chicken, and by the time it's done, it is looking at you like, "That's all, boss. That's all." Meanwhile, beef, oh my goodness, beef is reliable. It stays in the same size no matter what you do. If you like, boil it. If you like, fry it. If you like, grill it. It is there, solid as rock, not disappearing like chicken that behaves like it's on a weight loss therapy. Come on, and let's talk about the struggle of eating. Chicken, one bite, and you are dodging bones like you are in an action movie. Wing here, thigh there, wishbone in between. Come on, you need GPS to navigate it. But beef is straightforward. No unnecessary bones, no trickery. Just good, strong muscle building meat. Oh, don't forget chicken's disrespect. You can be eating and minding your own business, and one tiny eating bone will just stab you in the gum like, "Oga, respect yourself." But beef will never betray you. It won't betray you like that. It will stay soft, juicy, and obedient to the feet. So my people, let us not be deceived by chicken's crispy skin and fake packaging. The real MVP, the real goat of meat is beef. Yes, beef. Case closed.